Ever wondered why stockpiling cheap everyday items could be a game changer in a crisis? Picture this. A sudden emergency situation arises and the usual avenues of commerce are disrupted. Having a stockpile of inexpensive everyday items could be a lifesaver. Not only can these items meet your basic needs, they could also become a valuable currency for bartering, when traditional methods of payment are not an option. Now, let's dive into the list of 20 cheap items you should consider stockpiling. Starting off our list, we have 5 simple yet essential items. First up, canned food. With a long shelf life and a wide variety of options, it's a reliable source of nutrition when fresh food isn't available. Next, we have bottled water. In times of crisis, access to clean water can become scarce. It's vital for drinking, cooking, and hygiene. Thirdly, first aid supplies. Band-aids, antiseptics, pain relievers. These are just a few of the essentials that can make all the difference in a medical emergency when professional help may not be readily available. Coming in at number 4, batteries. These are essential to power flashlights, radios, or other important devices. Last, but certainly not least, toilet paper. Often overlooked, it's a basic necessity that can quickly become a luxury during trying times. These were just the first 5, but we have plenty more to go through. Moving forward, here are the next 5 items you should consider. At number 6, we have soap. An often overlooked item, soap is essential for maintaining hygiene and preventing disease. Plus, in a pinch, it can be a valuable trade item. Next up, matches. These are crucial for starting fires, whether for warmth, cooking, or signaling. Having a good stockpile of matches can make a world of difference. Candles come in at number 8. Not only do they provide light, but they can also serve as a heat source. Our 9th item is basic tools. A hammer, a screwdriver, a wrench. These are invaluable in a survival situation. They can help you repair your shelter, open cans, or even serve as makeshift weapons. Finally, seeds for gardening. With these, you can start a small garden and secure a source of fresh food. Plus, they are easy to store and can help you barter for other necessities. Halfway through our list, we are starting to see a survival kit take shape. Continuing our list, we have another set of 5 items. First up is the sewing kit. In a pinch, the ability to mend clothing or stitch up a wound can be invaluable. It's the kind of item that's overlooked until it's needed. Next, we have the manual can opener. It might seem trivial, but if the power's out and all you have are canned goods, you'll be thankful for this little tool. Third on the list is salt. Beyond just a seasoning, salt has a multitude of uses, from preserving food to melting ice. Fourth is bleach. It's a powerful disinfectant that can purify water and sanitize surfaces, making it a vital item during emergencies. Lastly, we have dried beans. A long shelf life and high protein content make these a staple in any crisis pantry. With these items in your stockpile, you are more prepared than most. Finally, rounding off our list, we have the last 5 items. First up is rice. A versatile staple, rice can be stored for a long time and provides essential energy from carbohydrates. Next, we have pasta. Similar to rice, pasta is an excellent source of energy, has a long shelf life, and can be used in a variety of meals. Moving on, fishing gear is a fantastic item to have in your stockpile. Not only can it provide a source of food, but it can also be used for other purposes like sewing or crafting makeshift tools. Plastic bags are another versatile item to keep on hand. They can be used for storage, as makeshift gloves, or even to carry water if needed. Last but not least, aluminum foil. A fantastic item to stockpile, aluminum foil has countless uses, from cooking and preserving food to serving as a makeshift mirror or signaling device. In summary, these 20 items range from food staples like rice and pasta to versatile tools like fishing gear and aluminum foil. Each item has multiple uses and can be a real game changer in a crisis situation. The importance of stockpiling cannot be overstated. It's not just about having supplies, but about having the right supplies. And there you have it, 20 cheap items to stockpile that could make all the difference in a crisis. Remember, preparedness is the key to survival.